She copied my avatar, guys. She is a devil. I hate her. She's such a chunky rat. She looked like a big fat cow. I hate her. She copied my avatar. I have Roblox. I like it. I have secret. Okay. You are a Yaku. I don't know. That's my sister. Oh, my cousin. I know it. That's not my sister, guys. Don't say that's my sister. No, I hate her. Yes, okay. Cousin Ayako, you need to hate her. Because, nakopy niya ako ba ito? Okay, bye-bye, guys.